super easy date night look. I'm going to use the Becca Skin Love and the First Light Primer. I used the primer before. I really like it. This is the first time I used this foundation, and I used their other foundation before, and I absolutely hated it because it was really, really hard to blend. I really, really like this foundation. It reminds me a lot of the It Cosmetics CC cream. It just blends really well. It's lightweight, and it held up for me all night, so I have no complaints about it. And it goes on about medium coverage, and then it can build to full coverage. I'm using my Sigma brush. I love their 3D brushes, and then I'm going to go over and pack it with the Beauty Blender. It's kind of the same routine that I always do, nothing special. I'm going to take the Ace Beauty palette from the BoxyCharm. I'm going to take the light yellowy color, pack that all over my lid, and then I'm going to take that cinnamon, and I'm going to basically focus this on the outer corner to do a little bit of a cat eye. That's kind of always my go-to when I do date night. I don't know. My husband doesn't like a ton of crazy makeup, so I like this style, and I don't know, it works for me. So I'm just going to build that out. Then I'm taking this color. It's called Amy Rose, I believe, and it's from the Deck of Scarlet Singles. It's a perfect little shimmer because it's not too over the top, but it definitely brightens up your eye a little bit, and I really like it. Then I'm going to take the new Winky Luxe Feline liquid liner. I love this liquid liner. It's really good. I used to love Kat Von D's, but then I don't know what happened. It started looking blue, but this is super, super black, and it dries matte. Then I'm taking the Dermablend Banana Powder. Love this banana powder. It's my favorite. If you have a lot of imperfections on your skin, I definitely recommend using this and their foundation. Literally, you can cover tattoos with it, but it just brightens up my face. It doesn't dry me out, and I can even bake with this, and I can't bake with a lot of powders because I get dry skin. Then I'm taking the MAC Studio Skin, and this isn't a bronzer, but it's like a setting powder, and it's just kind of working for me right now with my skin getting lighter because it's winter time. I'm losing color, so I'm just going to warm my face up. I'm not really contouring or anything crazy. Again, my husband doesn't like a wild crazy makeup face, so I'm just warming my face up, nothing too nuts about it. Then going back in with that cinnamon, I'm just going to basically warm up my lower lash line, make my eyes look put together, and then I'm going to throw on a little mascara. The lashes are from Velour. I forget what they're called, but they came in, I want to say I got sent them to in an influencer box or something. For my lips, I'm going to line with Nude by Gerard Cosmetics, and then I'm going to use their matte shade, and it's called Skinny Dip, and it's like the perfect nudie mauve type of color. I really like it. It looks nice and natural, and I love their formulas. They just last really well for me. And I even ate crazy pasta, and it still stayed on my lip, which is amazing. Then I'm going to take that shimmery shade from that palette and use it as a little bit of a highlighter and a little bit on my brow bone. Then I'm just going to throw in 2 wefts from Glam Seamless. I love these. They look like tape-in extensions. They lay really flat to your head, and they're just really nice and thick. I don't do this for length. I do this, honestly, just for volume because I have really thin hair. So I'm taking the Glam Seamless Straightener, and I am so random. I'm not a professional hair person at all. I just kind of curl some random sections. I really don't have a cool way to tell you guys what I do. I just kind of curl it all different ways and just go with it. Hope for the best, honestly. Then I'm going to take a little Monet hairspray. I like it. It's brushable, so it makes your hair last. But then if you feel like you put too much in, you can kind of brush it out. Here is my date night outfit. I got these boots from Fashion Nova. They're actually pretty good quality. These are the first time I've ever tried out their shoes from there because they're inexpensive, so I was kind of not sure. They fit really good. They're actually made really well, so I'm pretty surprised about it. Then these pants are from Fashion Nova. They're the high rise, so if you had some C-sections like me, they kind of tuck that kangaroo pouch in. And then this is my really sweet $4 Wish top. It's the first thing I've ever purchased from Wish. And I'm actually really surprised too. I don't think I'll ever order from there again, but for $4, it's pretty good quality. It's comfy, it's pretty long, and I don't know, it's perfect for a rainy day. But I did order a few things from there. All of them came out good. I ordered a lipstick acrylic thing, and they're usually $30, which is insane, but they were $5 there. That came in really fast, and it came in fine. But then I ordered two tea little kid outfits, and neither of them came in. I think they're lost because they're from China. So it's really kind of hit or miss with them, but I'm feeling it. This is pretty much it. This is my go-to date night. I love you guys. I hope you like this, and I'll see you soon.